Hi, my name is Christian from Modern Music School in Pasadena, and today we are learning the song Eye of the Tiger by Survivor. The first part we will learn is the rhythm guitar part for the intro. This part is palm muted 16th notes on the note C. There are also ensemble figures in the intro with the chords C, B flat, G, and A flat. That goes like this. Now let's move on to the verse. In this section, we are playing the chords C minor, A flat, and B flat. It goes like this. Now let's go to the chorus. This section uses the chords F minor, E flat, B flat, and C minor. Please note towards the end of the chorus, there's a melody line that plays quarter note triplets. Here's what the section sounds like. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. If you have any questions, ask your instructor or leave us a comment below.